Hello my dear students. In previous video we have already learned about the significant figures. In this video we are going to learn the round off or rounding off. Rounding off any numbers. Before that, first of all you tell me, suppose multiplying 6.4 into 0.2 and the answer there is a option, four option A, B, C, D. 2 into 4, 8 and 12, so 1.28. This is the actual answer. So the first option is 2, this, second option is this, third option is 1.0 and the fourth option is 1.2. Now students, you tell me which one is the correct answer. What do you think? You think 6.4 into 0.2, the answer will be 1.28, that's all. So this is the correct answer. But students, this is the wrong answer. The correct answer is 1. Okay. Now, why 1? See, for that you have to know about the round off any number. So sometimes they will written that round off up to 2 SF, means you have to rounding off up to 2 SF, 2 significant figures. SF means significant figures. SF means significant figures. SF means significant figure. So here, see, round up means what? If the number after this, see here 2 SF means you can write 2.4 means 2.4 2SF. Now think about 3. 3 is greater than 5 is greater than 3. So the answer will be 2.4. There is no need to round up. Okay. But see number 2 problem. Here 2.46. Here also 2SF will be 2.4. But after 4, 6 means greater than 5. In case of greater than 5, we actually increase the previous number. If it is greater than 5, actually we increase the previous number. It means it will be 4 plus 5. So after rounding off, we will get 5. Okay. So it will be 2.5. Now think for this problem, 2.45. 2.45. Now, see student, these two problems very important. Suppose we have 2.45. Then what will do? See, if there is 5, then what we will do? Then, if there is 5, then you have to see the previous number. If the previous number is even, then it will be as it is. Okay, it will be 2.4 as it is. So please note down, if the previous number is even, then you keep the number as it is. So in this case also 2.4, because you need 2 SF. Take number 5 example, say 2.75. Here also the last digit is 5. So if the last digit is 5, then we will check the previous digit. If the previous digit is odd, then you can increase it by 1. It means 2.8. That will be the correct answer. In this case, you will check the previous digit. It is 4, so it is even. In even case, it keep it as it is. Okay, as it is. So students, I think you understood how to round up the numbers. So again, I am telling you, if 2.43, you have to consider 2 SF. So 3 is less than 5. So keep it as it is. If it is 6, then greater than 5. So after rounding off 2.5, it will be 4 will be increased by 1, so 2.5. If 2.45, then after 5 there is a no digit, means 5. If 5 means we have to increase it by 1. But see, if there is 5, the last digit 5, then you have to check the previous digit. If the previous digit is even, then it will be 2.4. If the previous digit is what? 2.7, then it will be increased by 2.8. But think, if there is 2, 4, 5, 2, then it is greater than 5. So we will write 2.5. Understood? So this is how we can round off any numbers. Okay. Next we go for multiplication and division. And I have already asked this question, the how to find 6.4 into 0.2, 1.28. Now after multiplication, see student, there is a rule of multiplication and addition subtraction. Different rules are there. Now first rule, multiplication and division. This is very easy. 6.4 into 0.2. First of all, we multiply it by simple algebra. 2.28, 1.28. Now students, there is a rule for multiplication and division. See, here we have to consider the digit which has small number of significant figures. Small numbers of significant figures. In 6.4 and 0.2, in 6.4 here 2 SF and 0.2 1 SF. So which number we will consider? The smaller one, means 0.2. So the answer will be smaller SF. Means here if 1.28, after rounding off, if you want to take 1 SF, then it will be 1. Okay. Why 1 SF? Because the smaller number is 1 SF. So the answer will be 1 SF for multiplication and division. Understood? So here's the correct answer is 1, not A. Okay. After rounding off, we got 1. Why 1? Again I am telling you, 6.4 has 2 SF, 0.2 has 1 SF. We have to take the smaller number of significant figure, which is 0.2. So smaller number of is after multiplication we consider up to 1 SF, not 2 SF. Now come to the portion addition and subtraction. For addition subtraction, see, we have different rules. First of all, we have to add up these three numbers: 2.42, 1.32, 0.2. After adding up 3.94. Now how many significant figures you have to consider? Think. For addition subtraction, students, for addition subtraction you have to take the smaller number of significant figure after decimal places. See here, after decimal has 1 to 2 SF. Am I right? Here also 2 SF, but here 1 SF. So after decimal the answer will be 1 SF. It means 3.9. Why after decimal? You have to consider the smaller decimal numbers. Suppose here 0.3, 1 SF. So the answer will be after decimal 1 SF. So the correct answer is 3.9. In this way you can solve the multiplication and division, or you can round off these problems. I think students you understood, and you try it by yourself by pausing the video and listen it 2 or 3 times so that you can remember the rules of multiplication, division, addition, subtraction, and how to round off. Okay, thank you students.